Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Pinterest app not loading on iPhone 2025 update. Sure, this happens when the app glitches or your cache is stuck, so let's clear this problem. First of all, you're going to close Pinterest completely, swipe it away from the bottom of your screen and swipe the Pinterest app away. Next, you are going to go to the settings and then go to general. Scroll down, click on background app refresh and make sure you have toggled the option on for Pinterest. Restart your iPhone to reset the app system. Then update Pinterest from the App Store by going to the App Store, search for Pinterest and then update your app if there is an update button available to the latest version. Avoid installing Pinterest from the unofficial sources or links. Quick fix: if it still won't load, delete and reinstall the app and refresh all files, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes for Pinterest.